talk about it for a second. You're back here where it all started many years ago.
Yeah, for sure. It's great to be back here at a GNCC. It's been, I think, 6 years since I attended my last one. It was Snowshoe in 2014. So yeah, it's good to be back here, see a lot of familiar, friendly faces, and yeah, just cruise around and see everybody and talk to everybody. And I got to hand out the youth overall trophy, and yeah, I'll be attending the 1 p.m. start and talking with Randy a little bit, and yeah, it's awesome to be back.
So obviously it's completely different worlds, but what's some of the crossover? Like, let's just say there's guys that kind of dabble in both. What's some of the crossovers between off-road and supercross and motocross?
I mean, oh, hold on. GNCCs, I mean, it's such an advantage getting to ride these and then going to motocross and supercross, I think, because in these you race any and every kind of terrain each weekend or every 2 weekends. So at every one of these you're hitting mud, you're hitting dry, you're hitting slick, sand, whatever it is, you're hitting it. You're riding on rocks half the time, and yeah, it's just good to get your overall riding skill. For me, it was good to get my overall riding skill from these, and then transition over to motocross, and then these taught me to stand up a lot, which is really good in motocross, which all the ruts and everything. And then once I did get to motocross, the ruts were kind of small compared to what I was used to. I was used to handlebar deep ruts in here, and you go to a motocross race and they're about a foot or a foot and a half deep. So I think it's a big advantage coming from these to transition into motocross and supercross.
So in the last few years you've accomplished a lot, reaching the Supercross Championship, Outdoor Championship. You're into your 450s now, but down the line, we're gonna see a return to the off-road for the original, one of the original crossover guys.
Yeah, I definitely think down the road, after the Supercross and motocross is done, I think I'm gonna come back here and hopefully maybe win a championship here. Yeah, I'd like to just get back here and ride, and I'd like to do one soon, just to get out and do it, since I haven't done one in, it's been 7 years or so. So yeah, I definitely want to, after Supercross and motocross, get back to here and hopefully retire doing these things, and I think that would be pretty special.
So just for all the fans out there, what is the likelihood of the rumor that we're hearing that you will come to Rip Ironman at the end of the year?
It's pretty likely. I've been wanting to do Ironman ever since I stopped doing these. Yeah, ever since I signed the Star Racing contract in 2014, I have been striving to get back there, but never got a chance. It's always in the off season, and hopefully this year, the rest of this year goes really good, and I can talk them into just giving me a little bit an outdoor bike or something, and going and ripping Ironman, because that's one of my favorite ones. It's I think one of the most historic ones on the circuit, and yeah, I'd love to get back there and ride.